Hi people, this is the bird room again, and I want to show you this little guy's injured cheek. Come on, turn your head the other way. I want to show them how you've got an injured cheek. And yeah, you can't see it properly at the moment. Just wait, he will turn his head. Come on little boy. You can see where the feathers are a bit scruffed. Yeah, I love abusing the animals, especially the birds. That's just like my favourite thing in the planet. But yeah, I can't even look after myself. How can I look after animals? I have to rely on my partner to do what he can when he's at home. And there's the birds again. Yeah, look. Come on, birdie. We want to wind people up today. Come on, bird. Come on, little fella. Come on, little fella. He'll turn around in a minute, hopefully, and I can show you the gruesome patch on his cheek. Yeah, you can see it if I keep it very still. You'll see it in a minute, hopefully, and see the abuse I pile onto my animals. Yeah, he's a boy. So there's a boy and girl budgie in there. I can breed them for profit. Oh, I'd love to do that. Even though it's unsuitable and completely barbaric and horrible what I'm doing. I don't give a damn. I find it quite funny. Yeah, you can... When he's in that angle, you can see a bit more of the red there on his cheek. There, yeah. You can see the cheek there where he got injured. The little bits of red underneath. That's where he got injured, on his cheek. But yeah, it's quite funny, really. Abusing birds and animals is really fun. People should try it more. It's really quite good. And they always fight and squabble, as I've said before. The birds are always fighting with each other. Non-stop fight. That's all I get. He's grooming himself at the moment. Did you just see that very briefly? His little injured patch. Come on, lift your head up, little boy. We want to see the gruesome details for my viewers. But yeah, just look at this. Barbaric. I'm evil. I love to abuse animals. Love. More than you can imagine. Yeah, it's just so funny. I find it hilarious. And yeah, look at this budgie. Girl budgie. Pink top of the beak means girl budgie. Boy budgie. And yeah, this is the way it is, I'm afraid. Yeah, they don't like me very much. And look at this, the teal here. Hey, look at Mr. Teal. And yeah, look at him. Yep, that's the way I abuse my animals, is everything. Yeah, the teal. And yeah, there's the budgie. Come on, show people the cheek. But yeah, that's how evil I really am. And the lovebird, my lion-lated blue parakeet. And the green version of him is somewhere. Green version of him is somewhere in this cage. And they're always squabbling. I'll have to video the fights for you. You'll all really love seeing it. And yeah, Kakariki, he's the one that fights with everyone. One day he'll probably even kill one of them. It'll be exciting to see. And yeah, and here we go. Happy. But yeah, it's the way it is. And the lovebird. Yep, there's the other lion-lady parakeet. But yeah, and here we have an egg. Can you see the egg? And that's breeding for profit. And don't care about animal welfare. I'm going to breed them till they drop dead of exhaustion. And yeah, it's really funny. I enjoy doing this. Animal abuse is fantastic. Gets lots of attention. As I say, I can't even look after myself. My partner does his best when he's at home. Apart from that, yeah, he really tries. And look at this. Look at all the dirt there and all the old rotten food and all the... Oh, look at that. Look at the filth in here. And these are girl and boy budgie. They can breed for making me money as well. And oh, yes. Oh, we've got more straw in the water for the quails. Still haven't cleaned their feeder out. But yeah, it's good. Abusing animals is something I really recommend to everybody. Yeah, it's really good. I enjoy it. I can't wait to start videoing all the fights for you. And getting all the fights on camera. Oh, there you can see the cheek. You can see the cheek now. A little bit more. You just saw it not long ago, all that dark bits on his cheek. Yeah, you can see it. See it? See the dark pattern, the red patch underneath where the feathers got took off and he got hurt. That's quite funny. I find that hilarious. I did have a budgie die of a broken neck once because of unsuitable housing with other birds. Which was quite funny. But yeah, this is my animal abuse. I'm a famous animal abuser. And I love doing it. Every single second I love. But yeah, this is the animal abuse. And I absolutely love it. I can't get enough of it. I want to do more. But yeah, get more animals, abuse them. Get more animals, abuse them. Neglect them, not look after them properly. This is the way I live. And yellow budgie, which is a girl. And that one with the injured cheek is a boy. Yep. That one there is a boy. But yeah, anyway, people, please comment below. Tell me your opinions. And any comments are welcome. Okay, thank you. Bye.